All right, Todd's back with our full look at the forecast, and I don't like the future right now. I don't like what's coming.
I don't like the future for a number of reasons. I see a lot of gray hair.
Oh, see, I do
see a
like
lot
the
of
future.
wrinkles.
Well, see, I just embrace those things.
Oh, you do?
I'm talking about the weather only. Everything else.
Oh, you're referring
I'm
to
fine with
weather.
the actual future.
Got it. Now
It's
now
the
it's
weather future.
Now it's registering with
there
me.
you go.
Yeah. The a few days down the line. At the moment, not looking great, but we'll just focus on the short term, shall we? Here are the morning temps. We've got a lot of 40s out there early on. One community, Greenville and Moosehead Lake, in the 30s, 37. There are some stars overhead right now, but there are also a lot of clouds that have formed and are still forming. And I think we'll have a lot of cloud cover around this morning with it burning off just like yesterday. With high pressure to our north, this keeps us out of the rain, which is here, and which is here for the next several days. But eventually, the energy from this storm will give rise to a coastal, and that looks like it's going to make a run at us for Friday and Saturday. A lot of clouds to start out. It'll be cool and it will be brisk too. There's still a breeze out of the northeast, so our temperatures are right around 40. They feel more like 30s right now. That's jacket weather. Middle of the day, clouds will be burning off. We'll have a lot more sunshine at this point, especially to the north and east. Most of the clouds that are still hanging around will be over southern Maine, but temperatures will be warming into the 50s, and afternoon highs will be right around 60, which is going to be much warmer than yesterday. So today will feel a lot better than yesterday, even though yesterday was beautiful in the afternoon with the sun coming out. It was still pretty crisp, and I do expect a lot of sunshine for most of the Pine Tree State. And again, last to clear will be some of the New Hampshire towns over in the lakes there. Here's a look at your highs. Bangor hit 62. Yesterday hit 60. Lewiston hits 62, mid-60s for Waterville. Probably the warm spot actually today, 64 or so. Rangeley not too far behind. Berlin, New Hampshire also 64. Looking good across far northern Maine. Beautiful spring weather up here. Caribou, Millinocket right around 60 degrees. A little cooler for the coastline, but not much. The wind out of the northeast has more of a land component than a water component. So I see like 58 for a high temperature for a lot of these communities. And then 61 for Sanford. Coolest will be Portsmouth at 56. Not only that wind direction not as favorable, but there will be more clouds hanging around through most of the day. Tomorrow through Thursday, dry, tranquil with this high right over us. Temperatures will be in the 50s too. On Thursday itself, clouds will start to increase as this coastal storm forms to our south, and this will be packed with some precipitation, packed with a little bit of wind, and packed with some cold temperatures too. In fact, Friday into Saturday, while this storm stalls off of Cape Cod, we'll have this train of moisture flowing right back into the coastline. And we're going to at the very least have cold rain around here and possibly even some wet snow too. It is going to be running into some very cold air aloft. The question is, will it be cold enough at the surface in the boundary layer? That's what we call it, the lowest, say, 1,000 feet. And it's looking really close. I do think that there will likely be some slushy coatings around, even possibly down to the coastline. And as you can see in the higher elevations, the Monadnocks, the Whites, you're going to pick up a few inches of heavy, wet snow. So this is looking like your classic spring rain/snow storm with some wet snow and cold rain and gross raw conditions for Friday and Saturday. That's how it's looking right now. It's looking like it's coming together. Small crafts are up, seas 3 to 5 feet, north winds 10 to 20 knots. So here's the 7-day mix of sun and clouds today and tomorrow near 60, increasing clouds on Thursday. Watching that storm for Friday into Saturday, cold rain, wet snow, highs in the 40s, gross. And then Sunday's much better with sunshine and highs near 60 late. That's what you were referring to, right?
Cold rain, wet snow.
Yes, that's the future you were talking about.
Welcome back to April, everybody. We missed you. All right, thank you, sir.